It's like red though. It's like blood red, like demonic. I don't know if you got them in other colors or because. Yeah, I kind of like red.
Okay.
You know. Get him out of me! You know, when I'm driving and the airbags pop out, next thing I know, I'm in the hospital.
Oh, okay.
I think it's on the other side.
The other side?
I do believe so. Does it smell like plum pudding to you? I smell plum pudding. Thank you. Very kind. McDonald's, can I help you?
The souls of hell can bang you.
I'm sorry?
One apple pie, please. That'll be all.
Okay, would you like two for $1 apple pie?
Oh, it's demonic.
Alrighty then.
That would be nice.
Okay, I'll have that taser. Thank you.
Thank you.
Is you okay? Are you okay?
Yeah, you okay? I was just coughing, babe. You alright?
No, scare me.
You okay?
Don't do that.